Are you unable to install eFootball 2026? Then here is the fix. So first of all, what we have to do is हम फ़ोन की सेटिंग्स में जाएंगे. Let's go to phone की settings. Now click on this. Then find apps. App पे click करेंगे. Tap on apps. Then click on app management. Then find Google Play services for AR. This. इस पे क्लिक करने के बाद हमें क्लिक करना है फोर्स स्टॉप पे. Let's tap on force stop. Click on this. Then go to storage uses. Let's tap on storage uses. Clear data करेंगे and then clear cache करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है? Let's click on clear cache. It is showing as 0 now after clearing the cache. Now tap on clear data. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Click on delete. And then go back. Restart the phone. And after restarting the phone, let's find the app. Now type eFootball. eFootball 2026 or 7. Let's tap on install. Now you can see in my phone storage usage problem is there, so I have to delete some of the apps so that I could get space. So let me do this. After deleting, I am able to install the app. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.